Well, good afternoon, everyone. It's 20 past 4 on the 21st of April, and what a reversal we've had today in the American markets and in the UK market after quite a savage day down yesterday. As you can see, the advances in the US 6,000, the decline 1724, although the short-term trend of the American market is still down, it's been one heck of a reversal. The Dow is up 168 points, and if I have a look at the S&P 500, we can see the scale of this turnaround this afternoon, and that's what's happened this afternoon. This is pushed up a little bit. I'll show you exactly where the next resistance level should come in a second. I felt that we possibly had a 3 to 5% pullback, and that can easily still be the case. But this market to me looks very, very strong indeed. As you can see, using Gerald Appel's MACD, the price has made a new high here. And that's since February, so it's a couple of months worth of data. The price is rising and the MACD is also rising, and that's telling me that there's an awful lot of momentum in this move. Rarely does a move finish without the price rising and the MD and the MACD making a falling top. So we can easily have another leg down in this, and at the moment, only the short-term trend is down. All the other measures of the trend on VectorVest are up. So I'm still positive into May, but the volatility yesterday absolutely huge. And if I look at what I'm holding, I got stopped out of FUTU. FUTU clearly illustrates that volatility. Strongly up, and then yesterday gave it all back and some, and I got stopped out yesterday afternoon. Apps, I was very close to getting stopped out, and still holding that position. It's bounced off a major low, and the rest of them going okay. Lulu is a brand new position. Stop loss on that is quite wide, so based on a daily chart. A weekly chart. GDX, I've got a position, and that's going quite well. And if we have a look at the gold market itself, the bullion market's had a good day. I haven't added to any position. I've still got polymetal. It had a good day yesterday, flat today, but I'm always hesitant about building a position when this 8-day stochastic gets up into the overbought area. I would be happier adding if I saw a bit of a pullback, and I think it can easily pull back to 1746. Nevertheless, the best ones never pull back, but I'm always happy adding if the trend is up and a pullback down below 20. So I haven't added any shares, but I'm chomping at the bit to add some Pan-African resources. That share looks exceptionally strong to me. So at the moment in the gold market, I have a position in the GDX, and I have a position in polymetal. In the UK, I haven't done anything. On my portfolio of stocks that I've spoken about here many times, wasn't really affected that much yesterday, and it seems to be doing okay today. Polymetal's out of trouble, and I hadn't had the strength to invest in any airline stocks, and I haven't had any cigarette stocks or tobacco-based stocks in a very long time, because they've all been trending the wrong way on the longer term chart. So yesterday's sell-off didn't affect me, and I'm holding all of those shares and very happy with all of those positions. And I'll do a long video on the UK market later in the week. I'm sorry that I didn't get a video out more timeously, but I had some technical problems with the software that I use to record these things. So all good in the gold market. Be surprised if we don't get a pullback. And the American market, of course, if we have a look back to the S&P, still think we can quite easily have another leg down in this. If I look at the 4-hour chart, this is the 24-hour market. This move is incredible, and as you can see, market found support at this level today. Where's where's the next resistance level? Well, I assure you that those people that are bearish of this market will be looking at this, and the 78%, as you know, comes up a lot, so we can quite easily get up to 4178, and I can pretty much guarantee the shorts will hit it again at 4178. If you see the S&P getting up through 4178, challenging this old high, then we're back to the races again. I wouldn't be at all surprised, folks, to see even under the most bullish circumstances, if I get rid of this, this pushing up and then a pullback down till here somewhere. So I wouldn't be at all surprised to see this sort of situation as something down till about here. And if we draw in a fib from that low, 38% retracement exactly there, and that can quite easily get back to 4066 in this pullback. So let's just watch it up around here. I can pretty much guarantee that the shorts will hit it heavy here. We get another leg down, then that would take us into that zone between the 21 and the 55 on the daily chart, and I'm still as confident as one can be in these markets where nobody knows what's going to happen next, that we're going to move up again into May. A lot of negative COVID news coming out this morning, but that seems to have been shrugged off this afternoon. So I'll do another one of these every day this week to try and make up for the shortfall due to this technical problem. Thanks very much indeed.